In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete empty rows quickly. If your spreadsheet is cluttered with blank lines, this simple filtering technique will help you clean it up in seconds without scrolling or hunting for gaps by hand. Start by selecting your entire data range. If your headers and data are already grouped together, click and drag to highlight that block. If you want to scan the whole sheet, click the small cell at the very top left of the grid to select everything in one go. Choosing the full range ensures the filter evaluates every column that matters, and it keeps your header row included so the filters appear where you expect them. Next, go to the Data menu and choose Create a Filter. You'll see little funnel icons pop up in the header of each column. That's your confirmation that filtering is active. Filters don't change your data, they simply hide what you don't need to see right now, which is perfect for isolating empty rows safely. Click the funnel icon in any column's header. For best results, pick a column that normally contains something whenever a row is complete, such as an ID, a name, or a key value. In the Filter menu, click Clear to unselect everything, then check only the option labeled Blanks. Click OK to apply. This tells the filter to show only the rows where that chosen column is empty, which in most well-structured datasets aligns with rows that are entirely blank. With only the empty rows visible, it's time to remove them in one sweep. On the far left, click the row number of the first visible blank row, hold down the Shift key, and then click the row number of the last visible blank row. This selects the full span at once. Make sure you're clicking the row numbers themselves so you select whole rows, not just a portion of the grid. Right-click on the selected row numbers and choose Delete Selected Rows from the menu. The filtered blank rows will be removed. If you change your mind, remember you can always use Undo immediately to bring them back. Finally, return to the Data menu and click Turn Off Filter. Your full dataset reappears, now without those empty rows. Give your sheet a quick scan to confirm everything looks right, and you're done. If a few lines still look blank, they may contain stray spaces or hidden characters. But for most cases, this filter method is the fastest, cleanest way to eliminate empty rows in bulk.